When a manufacturing giant looks for renewable strength, Roofsol answers with precision, scale, and performance. Our partnership with Pennar Industries Ltd in Raebareli represents a milestone in industrial sustainability and energy efficiency. We delivered a custom-built 356 kW solar installation tailored to match the energy profile and continuous operations of one of India's leading engineering companies. From detailed structural analysis to system optimization, our engineering team designed a plant that performs with consistency and durability in demanding industrial conditions. We deployed high-performance modules, advanced inverters, and a mounting system built to withstand environmental challenges, ensuring strong output year after year. Execution was planned meticulously, with adherence to strict safety protocols and delivery timelines, all without interrupting Pennar's ongoing operations. This installation will substantially cut Pennar's energy costs and reduce their carbon footprint, strengthening their commitment to sustainable manufacturing. At Roofsol, our purpose is to empower industries with clean energy solutions that create lasting impact. This project at Pennar Industries reflects the scale, precision, and reliability we stand for. Roofsol, powering progress sustainably.